Hi guys, as promised a month ago, I'm here to review a cult product which is a favorite amongst women all over the world. Yes, it's none other than the Estee Lauder Advanced Repair Serum. So before we get into the video, I quickly want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram where I share a lot of other smaller videos, a lot of life hacks, and I've started with a new series wherein I share weekly tips with you that will help make your life easier. So having that done and out of the way, let's get into the video and quickly review the product. Also, towards the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what is an alternate option to treat your skin with the closest results to this particular serum out there in case you cannot afford it, because let's face it guys, it is one hell of a pricey product to have. Now coming back to the packaging of the product, it's a beautiful cardboard packaging that this comes in, and it is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. Now this one that I have purchased here is a 30 ml bottle. To start with, this is the kind of packaging that the product comes with. The bottle looks something like this, and I'm sure you've seen it a zillion times. Now this is a 30 ml bottle which costed me around 5,900 rupees, and I would suggest you that probably if you plan to buy this product, you should wait for a while and see when the offer is on and then go on to buy the product. Personally, I got a lipstick free, which is a very beautiful lipstick that I got with this one. So you might want to check that out and be a little patient so that you can make the most out of such a pricey product that you're going to buy. So moving on, this is a 30 ml product which costed me 5,900 rupees. The smallest version comes in a 7 ml bottle that starts at 1,250 rupees. Moving on to the next variant, that is a 20 ml bottle which comes for 3,900. Then comes the 30 ml for 5,900. Then you have a 50 ml bottle which is for 7,900, and finally you come to the 75 ml bottle which costs around 9,900 rupees. Having one of the most craziest things about this particular serum out of the way, let's get into reviewing this product. This is something that I have started applying at night, so this is a must part of my night care routine. So I use about 5 to 6 drops of this product at night on my face, and I gently massage it into my skin, not forgetting my neck. I have not reviewed it before using it for a month so that I could see the difference. I could feel the difference that it did to my skin 1 month prior before using it, and what it has done to me now. Now let me just tell you that this particular product is not going to do anything if you have, you know, an acne problem or a pimple problem, all of that. It does not work on any of that, so you might want to treat those things separately. What it does overall is that it repairs your skin like its name truly says so. It repairs your skin really well over a period of time. What I loved about this product is the way it has hydrated my skin, the way it has changed the texture of my skin, and how beautiful my skin feels. Another thing which is important and I feel I should talk about is that in the last few months I have been paying a lot of attention to my skincare, and that's the reason why when I initially started using this product, I did not see a lot of difference, because my skin was in a space where it was already receiving a lot of care and a lot of love from my end. So in the initial few days, as opposed to a lot of other people whom I did speak to before putting this review together, for them this particular product has made a difference overnight. So in case your skin is really damaged, you feel that it is suffering a lot, it's in a very bad state, if you start using this product, this is going to show you a difference from day one. It took me about 2.5 to 3 weeks to actually start noticing the difference in the texture of my skin, you know, the tightening of my pores, and how hydrated my skin felt. What this product claims to do is it also helps you fight the early signs of aging. It helps you decrease any sort of wrinkles, you know, crow's feet that you might have. It can really be helpful in sagging and dehydrated skin. So overall, to repair your skin, to make it look, you know, less aged and slightly younger, to you know, diminish any of those fine lines that have started appearing on your face, this works excellently for that. Now moving on, another very good way that you can use this product is using it under your foundation and mixing it with your foundation. Using it under your foundation helps in a way that even during the day when you're putting on your makeup, you layer your skin with this serum so that it's doing its job of repairing your skin even under the makeup that you're putting on. Using it with your makeup, with your foundation, helps in a way that it gives a beautiful glow to your face when you apply that foundation. Now when you're mixing it with the foundation, you don't need to use a lot of the product. Probably a drop of the product is very good enough. Now I just quickly want to show you the kind of consistency this product has so that you understand what is the kind of product that you should be expecting when you buy this serum. So this is the bottle and it comes with a dropper like this. This is the color of the serum. It's sort of slightly yellowish, and I'll just take some on my hand. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's a very beautiful consistency and it gets soaked into the skin very easily. It's gone, guys, and it makes your skin extremely hydrated. Now another thing that I feel is important to know about this product before you make a buying decision is that if you are investing in a product like this, how much is it going to last you? So just to give you an idea, this is the bottle that I have. It's a 30 ml bottle. It was filled up to the brim. Okay, I have used this product for 30 days without any fail. I have used about 5 to 6 drops every night. At the end of the month, my product is at this stage. So I still have this much product in my bottle. So going from this, I totally believe that this is something, if I use purely at night, I don't use it under my foundation and under other things during the day. This bottle using purely at night can last me anywhere about 4 to 5 months. Or maybe even 6 months if I'm using it wisely. Also, if I do use it during the day and under my makeup, this would probably easily last me for at least 3 to 4 months. So yes, it's an expensive product, I understand, but it does really last you very long. So it can help you make that decision whether you want to go ahead to purchase it or not. In case you don't feel like investing in a serum like this at the moment, it can be for various factors. Firstly, because I do understand it's a very pricey product and you really need to think hard before you make that purchasing decision for this serum. Personally, I have been planning to buy this product for over a year and a half, and I have finally purchased it a month back. So if you are taking your time to take that decision, I don't think you're doing anything wrong. You need not jump to the wagon immediately because the whole world is trying to do so. But at maybe some later point in time, you must give this a try. In fact, if you really want to see if it works on your skin, even for people who have damaged skin, you can go for the smallest 7 ml bottle that comes. That's for 1250 rupees. So in case you just want to invest in slightly and go for that product and try it on your skin before you make a bigger bottle purchase, you must go ahead and do that. For all those people who don't plan to buy the serum right now, what I would really suggest you is to get close to the kind of results that you get from this. You need to have a very regular, disciplined skincare. Now, by a regular disciplined skincare, I mean washing your face well, double cleansing your face at night, applying a toner, going ahead and applying a hyaluronic acid serum on your face in the morning. There are a lot of hyaluronic acid serum available in the market. You can choose one of them. So now it may not give you exactly the results that you're expecting out of this particular product, but using that serum will help you hydrate your skin really well. You can layer it with a vitamin C serum on top that will really help you repair and build new collagen on your face. So if you're using a hyaluronic acid serum followed by a vitamin C serum during the day, you do not really need a moisturizer unless your skin is very dry. So you can do all of that, and in the morning then layer that with a final layer of a sunscreen and you're good to go. If you follow this regimen very regularly over a period of 2 to 3 months, you will start noticing a good enough change in your skin, and it will be quite healthy and glowing. If this video was useful to you, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and once again a gentle reminder to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon. Do follow me on Instagram. I would love to have you as a part of my Instagram family out there. I've started a new series on Instagram going by the hashtag Weekly Wisdom with Ritika. I will be sharing a lot of lifestyle and skincare related tips over there on a weekly basis, so make sure you don't miss out to that. And for now, this is it, and I will see you guys soon in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.